If you are looking for the best residential and light commercial air duct cleaning equipment, you have found the right video. We're going to take a look at what features and technology make the Spinvax 1000 XT system stand out above all other air duct cleaning systems in the market. With technology and features not found in other air duct cleaning systems, the Spinvax 1000 XT professional air duct cleaning system is revolutionizing the cleaning industry. The Spinvax makes cleaning air ducts easy and efficient. The Spinvax uses a high-powered vacuum and a rotary flexible cable that spins a FlexStend brush throughout the ductwork to dislodge dirt, pollen, dander, dust, and other debris. The reverse sweeping action carries the contaminants back to the vacuum hose for removal. The Spinvax is unique in its cleaning ability for a couple reasons. Separation of the cable and brush from the vacuum hose. Many air duct cleaning systems on the market connect a brush to the end of the vacuum hose. This type of setup can cause multiple problems. Remember, most ductwork has twists and turns throughout the system. Good luck maneuvering a vacuum hose through this duct. The Spinvax uses a separate rotary flexible cable to spin the brush throughout the duct. A vacuum hose follows behind. Once the brush is all the way to the end of the duct, the cleaning technician reverse spins to create a reverse sweeping action that sweeps the contaminants back to the vacuum hose for extraction. This type of separation setup allows for greater maneuverability and cleaning efficiency. Another reason the Spinvax system is unique is because of FlexStend brush technology. The Spinvax uses FlexStend brush technology to ensure increased dirt and debris removal during the duct cleaning process. The Spinvax system comes with 3 size FlexStend brushes: standard for ducts 4 to 18 inches in size, large for ducts 18 to 24 inches in size, and dryer vent for dryer vent ducts 3 to 4 inches in size. These brushes have precision angled brush alignment to create a reverse sweeping action to improve the debris removal and extraction process. These FlexStend brushes automatically self-adjust to the proper size of the duct. Plus, the dual bristle design on the standard and large brushes helps stabilize the positioning of the brush throughout the duct. As you can see in this clear duct, the standard size brush automatically adjusts to the size of the duct being cleaned. Notice the reverse sweeping action carry the dirt and debris back toward the vacuum hose. The FlexStend brushes also use a softer filament for safe cleaning no matter what kind of ductwork you encounter. As you can see, the Spinvax incorporates unique technologies that other systems do not match. The end result is a more efficient and thorough cleaning. You can get more information on the Spinvax 1000 XT air duct and dryer vent cleaning equipment package by visiting our website, cleancraft.com. Here you will also find pricing, information, and a more detailed video showing you all the benefits of the Spinvax 1000 XT. You can also give us a call at 800-525-3261 if you have any questions. Thank you.